Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best professional loppers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Fiskars Lopper. This Fiskars Lopper is available in an elegant black and orange colored design. This bypass lopper is suitable for easy, smooth cuts on tree branches. Moreover, it lasts longer due to durability. The hardened, precision ground blade retains sharpness for a long time. There are no worries regarding corrosion. The important feature includes the fully hardened, precision ground blade. This blade stays sharp even after extensive use. The coating on the blade is rust-resistant and with minimal friction. So, the blades can slide through the wood. It can effectively cut branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter. The presence of shock-absorbing bumpers reduces the loud conclusion at the ending of cuts. These bumpers benefit you with a comfortable cutting experience. This bypass lopper is perfect for cutting tree branches, plants, and wood. Number 2. Our second best pick is TABOR Tools Anvil Lopper. Gardening and irrigation are done easily with TABOR tools. The brand has an awesome collection to meet all your gardening needs. You can find tools and machinery for digging, pruning, striking, etc. The lopper from TABOR Tools has the best quality anvil blade which works effectively on hard and dry woods. The blade lets you cut through branches that have a 2-inch diameter effortlessly. It has a 30-inch long handle, which allows you to work seamlessly around higher limbs. Furthermore, the handles are ergonomically designed to provide a perfect grip, and these grips have anti-shock rubbers for extra comfort. This lopper works with a unique compound action system, which means the lopper works with several pivot points and moving parts that combine to increase the applied force 3 times. Weighing just 3.68 pounds, this user-friendly tool is lightweight for adults and bestows perfect balance while working. Number 3. Our third best pick is Spear & Jackson Loppers. Glancing at its prominent features, this Anvil lopper comes with razor-sharp blades. These cutting blades are PTFE-coated SK5 carbon steel blades. For convenient and effective pruning experience, the tubular aluminum handles are included. The weight of this Anvil lopper is 4.17 pounds. The blades retain sharpness for longer and resist corrosion. The handles extend from 15.75 inches to 31.5 inches for extra reach when needed. Being made up of aluminum, they remain lightweight during the use. The handles come implemented with the twist and lock mechanism. The non-slip grips are available on the handles. To use the ratchet action, just open the handles to trigger the ratchet and then close the handle beneath the cutting blade after you hear the audible click. Now open again until the next click and iterate the process. One important thing to note is that the anvil blade is prepared from soft metal to prevent damage to the cutting blade. Furthermore, it is serrated to prevent the branch from getting twisted. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is THANOS Extendable Anvil Loppers. You can explore and own the best quality hardware tools from the brand THANOS that are not only durable but also very budget-friendly. The extendable loppers we have here have a heavy-duty blade made of SK5 steel coated with Japan Teflon treatment, which is in fact non-stick and can guide the ratchet shears to glide through wood smoothly. It is highly resistant to rust and stays sharp even after intense heavy duty. This lopper has a telescopic rod that can be adjusted between 27-inch to a 40-inch in length, which lets you cut tall branches effortlessly. The rod is made of highly durable aluminum alloy which is rust-proof and offers a sturdy grip. With its strong build and unparalleled performance, it is ideal for fruit tree pruning, potted pruning, landscaping, along with several other heavy-duty pruning jobs. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Corona ComfortGEL Bypass Lopper. Corona is popular for making reliable power and hand tools that are perfect for DIY enthusiasts. The brand manufactures a wide range of products including loppers, hedge shears, pruners, hand saws, extended reach tools, and lawn and garden maintenance products. Corona's ComfortGEL Bypass Lopper features a dual arc blade design with a decent cutting capacity of 1.5 inches. The blade is non-stick and coated with a special material to maintain its sharpness even after long use. The trapezoidal steel handles have a length of 25 inches to provide extra strength for cutting hard branches. The lopper comes with ergonomically shaped grips that provide maximum grip and control while you are cutting the branches. The lopper is lightweight with only 3.3 pounds for easy handling and a comfortable cutting experience. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.